Okay, class, this is Unit 10 and it is about rural and urban settlements in Rwanda. In Rwanda, some people live in villages and others live in towns. So under this lesson, we are going to define a settlement, we define rural settlements, and explain the types of rural settlements in Rwanda. So what is a settlement? A settlement refers to a place where people live. People build homes and form a community. Many settlements form communities or form a community. Rural settlements are settlements found in rural areas, villages. They are settlements not in towns, they are in villages. Types of rural settlements we have in Rwanda. If you visit our villages in Rwanda, you find people having different types of rural settlements in their villages. Number one, you will identify clustered or nucleated settlements in rural areas. This is a form of rural settlement where people live in houses that are close together. The settlements are very close, they are dense and close to each other. The gap between one household to another is very small. Then two, we have sparse, scattered or dispersed rural settlements. Here, people stay in houses far from each other. There is a big gap between one household and another, because maybe people want to reserve space for cultivation and animal keeping. If you visit our districts of Eastern Province, you will find scattered settlements, because in these districts people carry out animal keeping, and even areas near the national parks have this type. This photograph here tries to illustrate how a scattered settlement looks like. You see from one household to another there is a long distance, or you cannot be able to see the next settlement. Then we have linear rural settlements. This is a type of settlement where people establish their homesteads in a linear form, usually along roads, rivers, and lake shores. People settle near transport networks and online, like roads, lake shores, and rivers. This is easily identified in Rwanda, for example, along Kigali-Huye Road, Kigali-Kagitumba Road, Kigali-Katuna Road, Kigali-Rusumo Road, Kigali-Goma Road, etc. This photograph also tries to illustrate how a linear settlement looks like. Then we have grouped settlements, imidugudu settlements. These ones are very common in Rwanda. Most of our people stay under imidugudu settlements because it is the government policy. It's a plan. They were established according to the standards put in place by the government. And I think this started during the land reforms program. This one is a photograph showing an example of a Mudugudu settlement. Thank you.